The community of Sun River is also being hit hard by flooding. Sun River Road was closed this evening around 6 p.m. due to water rushing over the road. Just back in May, one family living near the fishing access on that road voluntarily evacuated their home. They still haven't moved everything back in.
This is our first time of going through it. Well, now it's our second within a month. Not the mad scramble that we had before trying to get everything out of the house. We have the bare essentials in the house, enough to get by. We didn't expect this again.
Now, right now, there are no evacuations in Sun River. Emergency responders, though, asking that you don't drive over flooded areas like we're seeing on Highway 200 right now. Again, that's not closed at last report. We'll continue to monitor these conditions, and we'll have a live report from Sun River coming up on Montana this morning.